Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse and we're going to be talking about a very popular product lately. That is the MicroBrite adapter. So what this does is this niche goes inside where your existing GloBrite light exists. It attaches into the receiver back in there and it allows you to install a MicroBrite. People really like the MicroBrite. It's the latest light from Pentair. It's a low voltage light. It's a very, very nice light. You have the MicroBrite light. You can find this adapter niche on ePoolSupply.com. You can look for part number 618040. That's where you're going to find this bad boy. And like I said, ePoolSupply.com has them. Great resource. Got lots of them for you. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Have a great rest of the day.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.